This video will introduce you to sets. Sets are almost like labels. No matter where a file is stored within your NVivo project, you can add it to a set. This is a really useful way for you to bring together different items no matter where they are stored. For example, codes, cases, and interviews, while they are all stored in different places within folder view, can be brought together in a case. You can see here there are some examples of how the researchers in the Environmental Change Down East project have used sets. We have one for the sources without the interviewer voice, bringing together a whole range of different sources in one place, particularly the cases, as well as a range of files. While these are stored in very different areas within the NVivo project, the set can bring them together. This can be really useful for tracking your progress. Let's pretend for a second I want to list all the interviews I've yet to code. This could be really tricky for me to track on an ongoing basis, so I'm going to go to Sets, right click and create a new set. I'm going to call this Coding To Do. This will really help me later on. With my new set in place, I could go into my interviews folder and for a second pretend these have yet to be coded. I can right click and choose Add to Set and put them in Coding To Do. I've not added this data as an attribute because it will change. When I'm happy with my coding, I will remove them from this set and it will enable me to keep track of what I'm doing. There's a whole variety of different uses for sets. It could be a really useful idea to have a set just for the codes you want to review. If there's some nodes you're unsure about, make a note of them with a set. Just like search folders, sets can be very useful to quickly allow you to gather pieces of data together for the purposes of queries and other forms of exploration. So why not try using sets today?